Oh, don't be sour. The New Day is on SmackDown and has the power of positivity. After returning from commercial break, immediately Roman Reigns hits a hot tag to Dean Ambrose, who immediately attacks Big E. Big E then distracts the referee. Kofi Kingston sweeps Dean Ambrose's leg while he's on the apron, and Ambrose takes a spill to the floor. Still, the New Day was missing a step since Xavier was not at ringside. All the energy that Woods brings to the bout was noticeably missing. Reigns gets in, assaults Big E and Kofi Kingston, and hits a drive-by double kick to the face on both New Day members. Dean Ambrose then hits a missile dropkick, and the New Day says goodbye, leaving, heading to the back. To the shock of the New Day, the Dudley Boys stop them and chase them back all the way to the ring, where the lunatic fringe Dean Ambrose welcomes them, and their welcome is followed up by the Samoan Superman punch, which was an incredible sell by Kofi Kingston, who then gets speared. 1, 2, 3, Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose go over.